Okay, beta, look into this question. We need to answer whether the statement is true, false, or uncertain. What's the question saying? The question says a linear regression model means a model linear in variables. It means a model linear in variable. Well, this statement is incorrect. Even when we will look into the CLRM assumptions, the CLRM assumption states that we must have a model which is linear in parameters. We always talk about linearity in parameters and not linearity in variable. So for example, when we go ahead and we deal with a model which looks something like this, say it goes ahead and looks like this, yi is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 xi plus ui, then this is good enough model because this is linear in both parameter and variable. So yes, it is a linear model. But if I go ahead and I look into a model which looks like this, say yi is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2, 1 by xi plus ui, then this model is linear in parameter but non-linear in variable. Clearly, I see a reciprocal model. But it is linear in parameters, na? Then this is still called a linear model. But now go ahead and look into this model where I have yi is equal to beta 1 plus 1 by beta 2 xi plus ui. Here the beta variable is non-linearly coming, right? Although x's are linearly coming. So because the beta variable is non-linear, automatically I can say that this is a non-linear model. So I am not concerned with variable. Whether variable come linearly or non-linearly does not matter to me. I am concerned with linearity with respect to the parameters. As long as it is linear in parameters, I will go ahead and I will call this as a linear regression model. So linearity will always be concerned with linearity in parameters and not linearity in variables. Am I clear with that part, beta? Okay, thank you.